cliche. I see the sparks you throw my way. I know your name is written on everyone's mind. Your whole show is captivating me.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. So today in this tutorial I'm gonna recreate Malvika Sitlani's look. In her recent tutorial she has done this mint eye look, and I'm not using the products similar to her. I'm using the dupes of those products or the products that are, that lie close to those products. And yeah, without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright guys, so the first thing that I always notice in her video is that she loves to prepare her skin before makeup. She uses at least 4 to 5 products under makeup. So I'm gonna start with moisturizer. So for moisturizer here I'm using this Color Bar Argan Oil. It is a really good product under makeup. Like, it is a really good moisturizer. You don't need much. I just use a pump of this. And the reason why I love this oil as a moisturizer, because it makes your skin looks dewy. So this is what I love about this moisturizer or oil, whatever you want to call it. And always wait for 2 or 3 minutes before moving on to next step, because I really want to get this product absorbed into my skin, because I don't want to layer the products one after one. Next, for primer, I'm gonna use this Smashbox primer, which is their photo finish primer, and it is a really good product. So I'm just gonna use a dot of it. And now for that extra glow, I'm gonna use this Swiss Beauty Illuminator. It is a really good product in affordable price. And I'm gonna mix it with this Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. It is also like a really good investment. So I'm just gonna take this much amount, because this is all you need for your entire face. It spreads really well. And I'm gonna mix a dot size of this illuminator. Alright, and now moving on to next step is I like to color correct. She never color corrects. This is what I noticed. But I like to color correct the darkness around my mouth and under my eyes. So you can use any peach color corrector for that, or a concealer shade which is the exact match of your skin tone. So I like to mix a peach color corrector and a beige concealer, and this is what I get. And I'm just quickly gonna layer it under my eyes like this, because color correction really helps to make your skin even. And now I just use my finger to blend it. But you can use anything, a beauty blender or a brush, whatever suits you. And I like to go here as well. And I never start my makeup without color correction. Like, if I'm doing full face of makeup, color correcting is like mandatory for me. But if I'm in a hurry and it is just like a 5-minute everyday makeup, I don't color correct that time. And now for foundation, I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Infallible foundation in the shade Golden Beige. This is what I use like all the time, and I take just this much because it is a really good foundation and you just need a drop of it. And also I like to blend it with a brush rather than a beauty blender. So first I just dot it all over, like these tiny dots everywhere. And now just pressing my brush over it.
But I don't think this could be something that becomes a thing.
And now, just to make that flawless look and just to make sure there is nothing excess on my face, I go in with a damp beauty blender to catch out the excess foundation. For concealer, I'm gonna go in with this LA Girl concealer.
Well, would you look at that? My glass is empty, glass empty. How about I get another drink, baby, drink, baby? Okay, I get it. You got fire running right there in your eyes. Oh yeah.
And now to set my concealer, I'm gonna use this Fit Me loose powder, and I'm in the shade 15 Light. brows, I'm gonna use this Swiss Beauty 2-in-1 brow thing, and
Would you look at that? My glass is empty, glass empty. How about I get another drink, baby, drink, baby? Okay, I get it. You got fire burning.
alright. So she has used Huda Beauty fluorescent palette for her eye makeup, but I'm gonna use these Nika palettes. Like, I'm gonna mix and match whatever colors goes very close to that which she has used. So first, for her crease, she has used peach color. So I'm gonna use this peach color from this Nika K palette in the shade Sugar Plum. So very lightly I'm gonna put this color here on my crease.
Baby, yeah, now I get it. You got heads turning, and you don't even try. Well, would you
So just a hint of this peachish color.
drink, baby, drink, baby? Okay, I get it. You got fire burning, fire.
And now for her lids, she has used a mint color, and I think this color, like this is somewhat a sea green kind of color, so this will look good. So I'm gonna take this color on the brush and add it. And now when it is all done, I'm gonna take the peach color again and move on to my crease.
How about we just go with the flow? Now you know I feel it too. But I don't think this.
And next she has used a silver sort of glitter on her lids, and for that I have this one from In Color, I believe, like, I don't know. So it is like in the pressed glitter form, and I'm gonna take it and add it here like this, roughly.
Look at that, my glass is empty, glass empty. How about I get another drink, baby, drink, baby? Okay, I
And it works.
burning, fire burning.
And now I'm gonna take the same blending brush, and I'm not dragging it anywhere, I'm just patting over it for its uniform application. So I'm gonna use the same color here as well. Now, taking that color on this blending side of the brush, I'm gonna take it a little further, like here and here, like roughly.
Right there in your eyes.
Now I'm gonna add this turquoise eye pencil in my waterline.
My way, I know your name is written on everyone's mind.
And also I'm gonna take this glitter again, just add it here.
Captivating me, but don't think that I can see right.
And now she has applied eyeliner. So she has used the Huda Beauty one, but I'm gonna use this one from Maybelline. This is their Hyper Glossy Liquid Liner. This is the first time I'm using this eyeliner. So
And also I have to make wink. So I must start from here. And then
Fire burning, right there in your eyes. So when you got
is it? Not bad.
okay. And now the task is to do the same on your other eye as well.
this whole thing, I like the way you look at me. How about we just go with the flow?
Is it fine?
I feel it
I think so.
So I'm gonna use the same Sephora contour.
This could be something that becomes a thing. Maybe just for tonight, then I'll be over you. But when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby, hard, baby. Yeah, now I get it. You got heads turning,
contouring, I like to cut my chin as well, because it gives a illusion of, you know, elongated chin. Now for blush, I'm gonna go in with this Malibu Sunset blush, and it is a very, you know, peachish, coralish kind of blush, and I think this will look best with this look. I'm gonna quickly apply my lashes now and we'll be right back. Alright guys, and now for highlighter, I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminator.
So cliche, I see the sparks you throw my way. I know your name is written on everyone's mind. Your whole show is captivating me, but don't think that I can see right through that.
I think I must use a silver glitter for my inner corners.
Close to me, you have me falling so hard, baby.
I've just really lightly applied it
You got heads turning, heads
here like this. And now the last and final step is to apply lipstick, and for lipstick I'm gonna use these two colors. Like, these are pinkish nude peachish color. So yes, this is from Inglot and this is I Choose from L'Oreal Paris. I'm just gonna apply it like in dots. And now I'm gonna apply this I Choose.
Yes, and now for finishing touch, I think I must go in with a little more highlighter.
This whole thing, I like the way you look at me. How about we just go with the flow? Now you know I feel it too. But I don't think this could be something that becomes a thing. Maybe just for tonight, then I'll be over you. But when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby, yeah, now I get it. You got heads turning, and you don't even try.
Alright guys, and that's it with this look, and I tried to match my accessories close to her, like these earrings, these golden rings, and I also tried to put on the same shirt, but she was wearing satin and I have this cotton shirt, but that doesn't matter. What matters is the look, and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial, and if it does, then please do not leave this channel without subscribing. Share this video, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you in my next video.